All right, guys, we're back this week with Phil. You saw his truck in the last video. Phil, you gave us a little demo of it.
Yeah, wasted a little bit of money on tires. That's all right. I was actually getting pretty close to changing them to a little bit like a drag radial, maybe help hook it up a little bit. But since then, we buffed it, or actually, to be clear, Canton buffed it. It looks fantastic.
Looks amazing.
We've also done a couple other things you may already be noticing, is we did put the trim that I was wanting to put on there, and it looks fantastic to me. We have a shop divided. Everyone agrees that it looks good, but not everyone agrees that they would have done it. But that's okay. That's what building these, that's kind of what makes building these so cool. You get to individualize it, you know, make it your own, how you like. Another thing we did, or it is not a we, it's an I, hand polish these billet wheels. Billet wheels are beautiful until you have to clean them.
Yeah.
And you constantly have to clean them.
Oh my God, but they look amazing.
They did turn out good. So the truck's like really looking really nice and sharp right now. It's going to GoodGuys in a couple days. I went ahead and put all the badges on it, all the factory badges. The one on the tailgate, the Silverado one on the tailgate as well. So all along, as I mentioned in the first video, I wanted it to be very factory or OEM. You know, I really wanted it to look like I took my grandpa's truck, just lowered it, put wheels on it. And I think the trim is like the icing on the cake for that. It really is dotting the I's, crossing the T's of the truck I was building. So I think it looks fantastic. And I love it. It does look good. So I'm really excited about it, happy with it. Still got a little bit more to do. Do all the cleaning under the hood and everything for the show. But other than that, it's pretty much ready to go for the show. There's still plenty to do inside the shop on other vehicles, but this one's about done, ready.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Well, I appreciate the update, man. I look forward to seeing it at GoodGuys this weekend.
Yeah.
It hurts so good.
So the quick story of this was Philip's grandfather's truck, and the original badge that was on it was plastic, right? And it was on the truck, and it just wasn't going to be able to be saved. I surprised him. I got all the dimensions to it, and I sent it to Rad Machining, and Rad Machining remade the piece for me so we could put it on the truck, so that, like, this is how it was when it was his grandpa's truck. All the badges, everything. The only thing we're not putting back on it's the wheel lip molding. I like the wheel lip molding. He's not a fan of it yet, but he's got it, so maybe one day it'll go on. But needless to say, I mean, the truck has turned out great, and he was going to put this on before we went to GoodGuys tomorrow, but he left in a hurry. He had a doctor's appointment, so I'm putting it on now for him. He wanted me to put it on before the show, and just I thought it was kind of the icing on the cake, you know. Grandpa's truck, the original Forest Chevrolet on the back of it, kind of just, to me, ties it all together. So about to be on it for good now. That's it. Fancy.
Not used to seeing the mullet outside of the body shop.
Yeah, that is true.
Man, I have not seen this interior this far in, so it looks... I know it's still not finished, but man, this thing's come a long way.
Yeah.
And in a short time.
First, we ran the wires, make sure that was all nice and clean for the subwoofer. Put the carpet in, put the box in, put the speakers in, seat frame. Casey can tell you, because I'm going to get in trouble. I've been trying to keep a low profile over here, so I don't get kicked
this
out.
update kind of ruined. I don't think he even knew you were in
No,
here.
he knows. I've heard the comments. He told Steve not to be too nice to me, so he doesn't have to fire Steve too. So
I may have said that.
yeah, see, yeah, he's trying to make sure people don't like me. So whenever I leave, it's just nothing.
I'm pretty sure they already don't like you.
Well, I mean that's fine. You don't have to like me as long as you pay me. Now I'm just pretty much installing the radio.
Working on the radio, huh?
Yeah, me and Keenan were working on the dash yesterday.
This dash is nice. This is an OE dash? Just been reupholstered, or?
Yeah, it is. A couple special touches like recessed vents.
Yeah,
and
I knew that there was
stuff,
some trick speakers in
yeah,
here.
so those are
sound
tweeters
Yeah.
underneath there. So we got the tweeters right up front. Currently, so we had to redo the bracket for the tweeter. It was sitting up too high, so made each side of the corner of the dash like just super raised.
Uh-huh.
And of course, we couldn't have that. So me and Keenan cut the wires and just lowered the brackets yesterday. And then I'm about to rewire these in. And then I got the radio in. So now I just need to put the cluster in, dash bezel, and then I can put the knobs on. And that should tidy up this area right here. Still got to run one more vent right here. I installed the subs this morning. Got those all bolted in. Of course, got the cover back on, amp in. Got the seat buckles in. About to throw the seats and seat belts in. And I think you should talk to Steve, because I think he plans on firing it up here pretty soon.
That's our hopes. That's what we're hoping for right now. Yeah.
So today is the first day of the 32nd annual Lone Star Nationals, Texas Motor Speedway. So at our booth this year, we're in a little bit different location. but you'll find us. Today we got Derek's truck here. We've been working on this thing for umpteen years, it feels like, but it's just about done. It drives, stops, but we haven't actually got it final tuned yet, so that's coming soon. We brought Philip's truck with us. It's dialed in, ready to rock and roll. I brought my side-by-side just to tick off the car guys, wondering why this thing's here. And then my 48. My service truck's here too, with the Godzilla motor in it, and we'll have everything opened up so everybody can look. But come on, check it out, grab a sticker or two or t-shirt or whatnot, and we'll see y'all this weekend.
For his first run of the day. Mathieu.
Oh, he threw a belt. Oh, he threw the belt.